Digital photography made simple.
Hey, hi again, and welcome back to Digital 1-to-1. I'd like to discuss with you how we could take control of two light sources at the same time and use our flash simultaneously. Those light sources would be our ambient light, whether it be a window or a lamp, and the candle light that we're going to have when we light those birthday candles. Now, you ask, two light sources. The perfect example would be a birthday candle or an anniversary dinner. One of those times when if you miss the shot, you've missed the shot. Now usually what happens when we put our cameras on auto and we shoot a shot like I'm about to show you, notice that our backgrounds always tend to go dark and our camera only tends to read the light that's basically in front of the person's face. Take a look at this shot. So, how can we take a better shot than what we've just seen? We do this by using two techniques simultaneously. Now, we've already done this in our previous videos. It's not difficult to set up. I want you to go and watch our video called Indoor Flash and our other one called Exposure Control. Here you'll see how I've been able to show you in detail on the back of the camera how to set your camera up for those modes. So let's move on, let's light those candles, and let's take that better shot. Now that second shot really wasn't that bad, but the problem that I see is that the candles were a little too bright. So in order to bring that candle light down, we need to go to our second technique known as exposure control. Again, go back to our other video that we've created for you in detail on exposure control. So now we want to take that exposure control function and bring our cameras down to a -1 or -1 stop. Now remember, our flash is also on at the same time, so we're really working with three sources. The reason that flash is on is because that light is what freezes the action. The ambient light fills in the light behind us, like in our first shot. We had a little dark back there, but that third and final function of the exposure control controls the light of the whole image. So let me bring that third shot up that we did and show you, and then I'm going to show you all three side by side so you can get a better feeling for how these functions all work with each other. So all those birthday parties, those anniversary dinners, any special event that requires you getting the shot because it's just not going to happen again. That's what we're about here in Digital 1-to-1. Don't be afraid of the lighting situations. The things we've taught you here gives you control of those. So the next time you find yourself in an event like that, you know you're going to get the better shot. Be a smarter photographer, be a better photographer, and look for more tips like this one on Digital 1-to-1.